Who's the head packer? Are you just taking it in turns? Nathan looks like he's pretty much... He's got his...
Nathan's head packer. He's in charge of the Tetris.
He's in charge of the Tetris. How's it going in there?
Yeah, it's getting there.
Is it all going to fit?
Yeah, it should. Just gotta assemble the Tetris skills and get it going.
I don't know, I've got to ask you some random questions. Mike's going to come out and talk to you, but what are you looking forward to?
Barra fishing.
Oh, really? Cool. Where are you going to do that? Where are you going to do that?
Wherever he takes us.
Awesome.
Around, wicked.
Have you been up there before?
Never. Northern Territory and WA are the next places on my list. So.
And have you been on a long road trip?
A long road trip. Not quite yet.
Looking forward to driving the truck?
Yeah, it's going to be bumpy in this old girl.
And do you think it's going to make it?
It'll make it. It'll make it. That's nice. I don't know about the kid itself. That might be a bit hairy, but we'll get there.
Yay.
Might spend a few times.
Cool, so we're packing we're doing a job in Ellenbray. So it's a pretty big job. It's just, another job, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
So what are we putting up? So what are we getting loaded in the truck?
69 panels.
So it's about 30 kilowatts of sun power's going up?
Yep.
Yeah, cool.
Got, 17 kilowatts worth of AC coupled inverters. We have 20 kilowatts worth of DC coupled inverters, our battery inverters. There will be 24 kilowatt hours of battery storage. It's a fair size system.
Cool.
What have they got at the moment?
So at the moment, the way the Ellenbray stations where we're going, Ellenbray is known for the best scones on the Gibb River Road, so I'm actually looking forward to getting some scones. So,
do you know, I actually travelled through Scotland from scone to scone, so I'm a bit jealous.
we can bring you some back.
Yeah, I don't know if they're going to be so fresh though.
Days, but, yeah, so Ellenbray's in the Kimberley. There's 7 stations really up there. It's actually one of the smallest. It's only 1 million acres. So it's one of the smallest properties up there, and it's still. Most of the other properties are owned by big American companies. So El Crestro, Home Valley, they're really big. It's amazing. The food there, they're really luxurious places. There's some glamping tents and stuff like that. So Ellenbray is still the really traditional go camp and hang out. So their current solar system, pretty much, they run on a generator most of the year because they've sort of got 4 months where it doesn't rain up there. And so they run on a generator to run the business. They want to be more sustainable and go more solar. So the current system at the moment, I think it's about it's 400 amp hour or 600 amp hour batteries at 24 volts. So what's that? Numbers, man?
Lots. Yeah.
12, 13 kilowatt hours of storage. So they're lucky to have 10 kilowatt hours of battery storage overnight. Some lead acid batteries. I think they've got about a 5 kVA inverter, and yeah, most of the businesses run of a day. They've got a 15 kVA generator, and they can make it growl in the middle of the day. Isn't what Logan likes to describe it? when the commercial kitchen's running flat out.
Expensive. Diesel generator, is it?
Yeah, so they run a diesel generator, and they've run a diesel generator for about 10 years up there. So we've designed this system around that. In case of emergency or backups, they're going to be using the generator. So yeah, the system they've got right now is actually quite small compared to what's going in. Ideally, and yeah, so 4 months a year the business operates. If you don't know the Gibb River Road, if you do some research, have a look, it is actually a river. Even right now, it poured rain last week. We've sent some photos that literally 4-wheel drives are getting towed up the road basically, and yeah,
So the
it's pretty
truck?
crazy. So look, we've been told we'll be fine to get through, so we're gonna have faith in have faith that literally, you know, we leave on Friday, which today is Wednesday. Packing the truck, make sure everything's here. We've done a dummy run. We're putting everything in the truck today. So we're gonna have faith that by the time we get there, that picture I sent you boys the other day, that cliff face of a fool driving up in the middle of the Gibb River Road, it is a river.
Nice and levelled out.
So as of today, there's been flooding. They're still underwater. So we leave Friday, and we're going to put faith in that by the time we get there next Monday. So the boys, they leave Friday, and yeah, I fly over the weekend, so I'll arrive in there Monday. It's a 2-day flight for me as well. So me and the electricians will fly in, and we'll get there. And
Where do you fly into?
we fly into Kununurra.
Oh, you do, yeah.
Yeah, so we fly from Brizzy to Darwin, stay in Darwin, fly over to Kununurra, and then yeah, on the way back, actually fly to Perth and come back. So I got a 2-day flight. The boys have a 4-day drive. So a bit of a team effort. We're going to do this install, isn't it? So yeah, so it should be a bit of an adventure. We're going to see if we can fit my trail bike in the back. So if we do get stuck getting into the property, I've got the motorbike. I do have a nickname when I ride with my mates. My nickname is Depth Gauge. And, I love just riding through water and seeing how deep it is. So I'll be the depth gauge for the truck. If we get to some places where we're not too quiet, and originally the river is full of crocodiles, I'd rather be on my motorbike flying across that than walking across. So
Absolutely.
the Penacross River we'll be crossing. Logan went the other day. He's got a pretty jacked up Nissan Patrol, I think he's still got. And he said it wasn't under the bonnet, it wasn't over the bonnet. So yeah, it was pretty high up when he went through the other day. So yeah, so it'd be pretty exciting. So ideally, hopefully we've got 6 to 7 days between now and, well, it's Wednesday to Monday, not even that, we've got about 5 days. So hopefully the river's down and we can get through. So if not, we'll be making sure we've got our swags in the truck. We can camp on the Penacross River. If not, we'll go to Equestria, hang out there for a few days.
So I got a couple of questions. Really, you're going to fit everything you need to take in there as well as a trail bike and swags?
No. So this truck, all up, we can have 8.5 tonne.
Yeah.
So we've actually hired a trailer.
Okay.
So yeah, so to spread the weight and distribution and stuff like that. So this is an 8.5 tonne truck, and we can't fit everything in the truck. So we've got a truck and a trailer to get everything in. So boys got the panel and racking in this trailer, in this truck, and then later on today, after lunch, we'll pick up the other trailer and we'll load all the batteries in that. And ideally, we don't know if we're going to be able to fit the motorbike yet. So it's a dream.
See how you go.
Yeah, if we don't fit the motorbike and we have an issue, yeah, there's no phone service up there, so literally, hopefully we can catch someone on the radio. If not, it's a bit of a walk. And yeah, look,
It's an adventure.
Hey?
It's an adventure.
It is an adventure, and last time I've been to the Kimberley a couple of times, and last time I was up there, lucky enough it wasn't us that broke down, but every time someone broke down, we were there to help them fix and get them out of trouble. So remember the jack as well. We'd take the jack and the torque wrench.
And I'm going to probably replay that section when you get up there and you don't have the jack.
We got, as I said earlier, the 20 kilowatts of battery inverter, which are it's 2 Quattros, 2 Victron Quattro 10 kVAs. Then we have 2 6 kVA FEMA inverters and 1 5 kVA FEMA inverter. So that coupled with 30 kilowatts of SunPower solar panels, and we've got 12 So 12 2 kWh storage Zenergy batteries.
Awesome.
Could be a cranking system.
Right.
Got our Power Plus beanies.
Yeah, not on, but yes.
Awesome, we got them. So yeah, it's
And-
one of those. It's only getting down to about 17, 18 degrees of temperature overnight up there at the moment, which is it feels cold because the daytime it's really humid and it's about 38 degrees the other day when I checked the weather over day. But overnight the humidity's just gone. It's freezing. So don't forget your Power Plus battery, Power Plus beanies. Yeah.
And a Delta and an EcoFlow.
Yes, we'll be taking the Delta and the EcoFlows to cook up the fish. So we are going to have a couple of days fishing up there. It's pretty exciting. Have you ever caught a barra?
No, I've got one out of a fish tank,
There you go.
but no.
What are you going to cook on?
So the camp kitchen that we were staying at on the property, it's a private camp kitchen, everything's there, so literally we'll get given fishing rods and lures, and like I said, it's what you lose you pay for.
Yep.
But it's a pretty cool fishing hole and it's a full camp kitchen set up there, so
Cool.
we'll have the Delta for a bit of power out there, run some lights and stuff like that.
Well, let's do a demo on the Delta, and then I don't know. I reckon barra tastes best when it's done on the coals, doesn't it?
The best tasting barra I've ever had is barra wings, which is their cheeks.
Yep.
So we had some.
fish.
Yeah, we had some stuff from Roper Bar.
Yep.
I literally flew into Alice Springs, and my best mate Mike, he's actually been meeting us up there to help out. We'll get him on the tools, put some panels up. He literally caught fish on a Wednesday, met me in Alice Springs on Thursday, and we had barra wing burgers. I think for about 5 days straight. That's all we ate. It was amazing.
They must be big fish.
Barras.
If you're going to have a wing burger from their cheeks.
Yeah, there's a lot more meat on the barra wing than there's like the local bass wings and stuff.
So yeah, I'm excited. Get some barra fishing in, and we're also going to check out a Questro and spend the night there, which reminds me, I have only get through at 10, so I'm staying on the side of the road.